Yo, I got my first order right away. This is gonna be Jack in the Box, $12 and some change, going 6 miles. Thank you. Meet outside. Stay on blah 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 street, please. You'll see me waving my phone around for you. We'll see how accurate that is. It's like almost pitch black on the street, but I think I do see him waving his phone around, maybe. There you are. There's that. There's
Awesome.
that.
Thank you so much, sir.
Got it?
Got it.
Have a good day. Next order up, we've got a Burger King. This one's gonna be $8, going 3.5 miles. And it looks like it is just 3 cheeseburgers, so this definitely should be ready by the time I get there. I will be very surprised if it's not. Well, color me surprised, because that took like 10 minutes. Next order up, we are going to Starbucks. This is $11 and some change, going 3.5 miles. Next order up, we've got a Voodoo Donut, $23, going 11 miles. Thank you.
Yeah, we'll go.
You too. Been sitting here for probably about 15 minutes, but I finally got an order. This is gonna be Chick-fil-A, so gonna be waiting another 15 minutes probably. But this is $10, going 5 miles.
I will. You too.
Thank you. All right, I'll give it to him. It was only like a 5-minute wait. Could have been a lot worse. Definitely have had a lot worse. Got the next order lined up right after this. It's gonna be a shop and deliver for Safeway. $10, going 3 miles, 6 items. I think there were multiple of a few of the items, so it shouldn't be as bad as it sounds. As long as everything is in stock, that is. Scared me. There you are.
Thank you.
Have a good one. I don't know how I didn't even hear that guy coming outside. Spooked me.
Welcome. Please scan it.
Yeah, I don't have all day, so they got refunded on that one. Next up, we are going to Chick-fil-A. This is going to be $10, going 6 miles. Thank you. Next order up, we've got a Jack in the Box. This one's gonna be $9 and some change, going 2.5 miles. Thank you. Just got the next order. This is a shop and deliver for alcohol. $16, going 6 miles, 2 items. And then just a scribble on that line for me.
You got it.
All right, I'm gonna give it maybe another 5 to 10 minutes. And if I don't get an order by then, I think I might just call it. All right, that is enough waiting for me. I'm gonna go find some lunch. Current time is 11:33. Total is 106. So it's been months, but my check engine light finally turned off, which means my car is about to explode or that my car miraculously fixed itself. I think those are the only two options, right? I don't know. I'm not a mechanic. But anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.